Guys, very good evening to Khushi and Manish, because only Khushi and Manish have joined and I have started the recording for this lecture too. Lagan, Lagan or Lagan, Mahipal?
The Lagan Mahipal.
Lagan hai, okay, fine. So you're also welcome, Lagan. Khushi has vanished. She has gone away again. I don't know where. So welcome to both of you, and let us just start the class because the time is already it's 4:16 now. I've been waiting from last 3-4 minutes for all the participants to join. Now there are other students also who will be joining, and I think more have not accepted the invitation. I don't know why. So both of you can you push it on the group so that they can join the class as soon as possible so that we can start the discussions. Lagan and Manish, can you do that for me? Okay, Pranav Sharma, you are also welcome, Pranav. So let me also call those who have. Your class is a bit lazy to join. So how many of have joined now? Wow, so we have sufficient members to start the class now. So very good evening to all of you. I'm Dr. Manvinder Singh Pava, your coach, guide and teacher for this particular class of business laws. So let us just because it's a preliminary class and even I have not met you before and you also do not know me much well. So today we will just start with the introduction. So as your names are already appearing, what I would like is that if you can switch on your videos while you will be introducing yourself at least and tell me about yourself. So actually this is not mandatory that you switch on the videos. So if you are comfortable switching on the videos, then you do it. Otherwise, it's totally your choice. So what you can do is switch on the videos and tell me about yourself. Yourself means your name. I am already is already appearing, and you tell about your where do you belong to, and at the same time, what are your aspirations, what you want to do in your life, what your father does, and what is your expectation from this class. So this I would like to learn from all of you so that I can deliver to the best to this class. So over to you. So let us first start with the Ashutosh, sorry, Aditya Chopra. Aditya, can you please tell me about your profession of your father? Where do you belong to? And what you want to do in your life? And at the same time, what is your expectation from the class? Aditya,
Good afternoon, sir.
very good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Aditya. I'm from Rajasthan only, Medta, town near Ajmer.
Okay, you are from Medta. Medta is very famous place.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, my father do business related to grain, food grain,
Okay. What type of
and
business it is?
food grain. He sell in wholesale food
Uh-huh.
grains, right? Wheat and different things, jeera and all.
Uh-huh.
That's what he do. And I'm also looking forward to do business only, sir. I don't have any other options right now.
Okay.
That's why I chose BBN. After I want to do MBA only in sales.
Good, 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 good. So what is your expectation from the class of business laws?
So as if I don't have too much expectations, but I think I will get to know all the morals of the business.
Okay. So let me tell you, this is not a class of morals and ethics, but yes, because laws are related to morals. So I will definitely cover some of the morals in the class while I'll be teaching you the laws, because law is something which is a coded. Morals are not at all coded, but a person must have the moral duties and and they must fulfill the models in order to have a strong base of the company or the corporate or the business whatsoever we are doing. Even having this contributing towards the social security, or you can say towards the society, is also a moral duty of the business which is to be done. So Aditya, very good. You are having a very good thinking. That's why this has come from your heart, that you really want to learn about the morals. So
Yes, sir.
definitely, I will try my level best to just meet up to your expectations for this class too. So thank you, Aditya. So
Thank you, sir.
let us just go to Ashutosh Sharma. Ashutosh, can you please tell us about
Good evening,
your
sir.
what your father does and where you belong to and all everything, please?
Good evening.
Yeah.
Sir, Ashutosh Sharma, sir. I am from Rajasthan only.
Okay.
Ranthambore, Sawai Madhopur district.
Ranchandi Thambor Dur Chittod ki Maut Vihar thi. You have listened this or not?
Yes, sir, I have listened it.
You have listened this. आगे की लाइन बताओ.
सर आगे का नहीं सर, बस चलता रहता है सर, कोई ना कोई बोलता रहता है.
अरे ऐसे नहीं होता बेटा, फिर तुम राजस्थानी नहीं हो यार.
So, sir, my father do
ये तो
business.
हाँ, ये तो वीर गाथाएं हैं हमारे राजस्थान के. एनीवेज चलो
Yes, sir.
बताओ.
My father does business. So he runs hotel and schools.
Okay. Okay, you have schools also?
Yes, sir.
In Ranthambore only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you want to do in your future?
Sir, I also want to do business only.
Okay, you want to just take the business of your father up?
No, sir.
Okay,
I
you
want to start my own hotel lines.
Okay, your own hotel, पर पैसा कहाँ से आएगा भाई?
सर उसके लिए तो सर पढ़ाई करेंगे ना.
नहीं, पढ़ाई करने से पैसा नहीं मिलता है. वो तो पापा जी देंगे ना. नहीं, उनसे नहीं लोगे?
या सर इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए बोलूंगा उनको.
ओके, तो फिर तो उन्हीं के बिजनेस में चले जाओ. उनको इन्वेस्ट यहाँ करवा रहे, तुम वहाँ चले जाओ ना. क्या दिक्कत?
नहीं सर, मेरे को खुद का करना है.
अरे खुद का क्या करना है मतलब? क्यों और क्यों करना है? मैं तो ये कहूँगा, मेरा बेटा होता तो मैं भी पूछता भी तेरे को क्या करना है, इधर ही आ जा. जब मैं कर रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी, मुझे एक अच्छा मेरा एक साथी हो जाएगा. क्योंकि घर का आदमी जो होता है ना बिजनेस में, ही इज, इफ यू हैव समवन फ्रॉम योर होम इन योर बिजनेस, यू विल फ्लरिश लाइक एनीथिंग. अदरवाइज you know the things well rather.
Sir,
So
actually sir, my father
anyways,
wants that I will do.
yeah, your aspirations are there, so I wish your aspirations may come true, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is your expectation from this class of business laws?
Sir, I get to know about some business laws.
क्या?
Legal something legal documents related things.
और क्यों? Why?
Sir, I don't know sir.
The laws will help you out in running your business in a better and a proper way. Anyways, so no problem. Thank you, Ashutosh.
Thank you sir.
Chirayu Khandelwal.
Good evening, sir.
Long life, Chirayu. Good evening.
Sir, my name is Chirayu and I
Yeah,
belong
that's why
to
I'm saying
Jaipur
long
only.
life, Chirayu. Chirayu का मतलब ही लंबी उम्र होता है, नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो ईश्वर करे तुम्हारी बहुत लंबी उम्र हो और बहुत सुख मिले आपको अपनी जिंदगी में.
Thank you,
बताइए.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am from Jaipur only, and
Okay.
my father runs a business of real estate.
Fine.
And in future, sir, after doing my post graduation, I want to be in a corporate group for 2-3 years. Then
Okay.
I want to run my own business.
Fine. Okay. So you want to take some experience from the corporate and then you want to go in your own business.
Yes,
That's
sir.
a very good.
कॉर्पोरेट से थोड़ा बहुत नेटवर्क भी बिल्ड हो जाएगा एंड थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस भी गेन हो जाएगा. ऊपर से थोड़ी सेविंग्स के साथ खुद का चालू करने की भी.
Great. So you have a vision. Yeah, you have a vision that how you have to do it. That's very good. That's really very good. Acha, one more thing is there. So what do you expect from my class of this business laws?
सर लॉ तो आप पढ़ाई तो गया. आई जस्ट वांट कि थोड़ा बहुत फनी होती है क्लास, थोड़ा मजा करते रहे.
तुमको मजा आने वाला है. ऑफर एंड एक्सेप्टेंस जब मैं पढ़ाऊंगा तो तुमको सबसे ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है.
सर थोड़ा बहुत तो पढ़ा हुआ है मेरा पहले भी. बाकी एक बार आपकी क्लास में भी बैठा था मैं.
मेरी क्लास में कब बैठे यार?
सर ऐसे बाहर थोड़ी मस्ती कर रहे थे, आपने जबरदस्ती बैठा दिया था।
Yeah, I remember that. अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
तो मजा आया था आपकी क्लास में।
Really?
यस सर। सर
Great.
मतलब मैंने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत लॉ वगैरह 12th में,
Okay.
बट उन टीचरों से इतना मजा नहीं आया था जितना आपसे पढ़ा था तब आया था।
Oh wow, thank you. चलिए देखते हैं अभी और मजा आएगा तुमको. We'll really have some fun in the class and that तो अभी तो ऑनलाइन है. अभी लाइव होता तो और भी ज्यादा आता, बट ऑनलाइन भी अभी अपन करेंगे. We will have some interaction.
सर मे बी नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर अगर जल्दी खुल जाए तो बढ़िया है, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आपसे पढ़ेंगे सर।
हाँ, नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में भी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको. यस, और उससे नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में भी पढ़ाऊंगा डियर. हाँ चलो, लेट्स सी. ग्रेट ग्रेट, थैंक यू थैंक यू. सो दिव्यांशी चौकसी.
Good evening, sir. My name
Very
is
good
Divyanshi,
evening. Yeah.
and I'm Bhopal, and my father is a businessman.
Okay, great. So what business he has?
Sir, he's a builder.
Builder. Wow, great.
Yeah.
So you also want to be a builder?
Not builder, but yeah, I want to start my own business.
Okay, so what business you will start? Have you thought of?
A business on lifestyle things
Like?
like fashion, like clothes.
Wow, great. Fashion, clothes, jewelry, and all this. I think you are fond of all this. That's why you want to do business of all this. That's great. But why, you know why it is great? It is great when
Yes,
you have some passion, and then when your passion becomes a profession, it actually multiplies
Yes,
the
sir.
growth. So I wish you have your passion coming into a profession. I wish that. So what
Yes.
would you like to gain from this class of business laws?
Sir, knowledge about the business,
Okay.
things which are required to do the business, legal knowledge, documents, and everything which we require in business. So all these things.
Great. Good. Okay. Fine. Fair enough. Thank you. So
Thank
Khushi Wadhwa. खुशी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मैंने सोचा क्लास में खुशी नहीं होगी तो फिर कैसे काम चलेगा, फिर हम मजे कैसे करेंगे. So your presence is always needed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but खुशी तुम before you start let me ask you, तुम सबसे पहले ज्वाइन करी थी, उसके बाद वापस कहाँ भाग गई?
वो सर हो नहीं रहा था, वहाँ पे रिट्राई आ रहा था बार बार, तो हो नहीं पा रहा था.
Okay, okay. So Khushi, please tell me about yourself regarding these 3-4 things which we have asked.
So my name is Khushi Wadhwa, and my father is a businessman. He
Okay.
event and management.
Hmm.
और क्या बताऊँ?
और मैंने बोला था मेरी क्लास से आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you expect from me or this class? How will I be able to fulfill your expectations? What do you expect?
तो बस वही क्लास वही फनी होनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी, और बस हो जाएगा उसमें.
हो जाएगा. चलो. You are very very true, खुशी. Really very true. That कि बस सर हो जाए, और है ना, मतलब काफी दिल से बोल रही हो, अच्छा लगता है. हाँ, बिकॉज सब लोग सर मुझे तो मार्क्स चाहिए, सर मुझे तो आगे बढ़ना है. काफी लोग तो बोल रहे हैं सर हमको आपकी क्लास से नॉलेज चाहिए. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए. एंड यू आर ट्रू. एंड जिसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता है ना, उसको सब कुछ मिल जाता है. खैर ईश्वर करे तुम्हें सब कुछ मिले. सो या लगन महिपाल.
Good evening, sir. My name
वेरी
is
गुड
Lagan.
इवनिंग. लगन थोड़ा सा तेज बोलेंगे तो अच्छे से सुनाई देगा.
Good evening, sir. My name is Lagan Mahipal. I'm
Ah.
from Jaipur.
Okay.
My father is a businessman. He's in jewelry. So my basic aim is to become I want to be in a corporate company. I want to be a head or top level management.
Okay.
That's what I aim for.
Fine. That's excellent. So means from my class what you want?
Sir, it's just about कि law वही law पढ़ाई दोगे. It's all about कि sir it would be an interactive session. I just want to
Very
learn
good.
something
Very good.
really good.
So it is going to be an interactive session. You want it to be more interactive, so and rather more fruitful also, because when you interact, it is more fruitful.
Yes.
Thank you, Lagan. Thank you. So Manish,
Yes, sir.
how do you pronounce your surname?
Khileri.
Khileri. Okay, Manish Khileri. Please tell.
So myself Manish Khileri and my father is businessman.
Okay.
He is in marble business.
Which industry?
Marble industry.
Wow. So you have some. Do you belong to Nathdwara or Udaipur somewhere?
No, sir. From near Kishangarh.
Near Kishangarh. Okay. Kishangarh is a hub of marble. Like when before Udaipur, Kishangarh names is there.
Yes, sir.
So do you have anything to do with this Wonder Marble or so?
Wonder Marble?
Yeah. It is a brand from the Kishangarh only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. Do you have any connections with them?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any connections with these guys?
Yes, sir. We have RK Marbles and connections with RK Marble and A-Class Marble.
Fine.
My father runs his own marble business, RBC Group.
Okay. So these are the other people, those who are dealing in the same market where your father is also dealing in, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. So what is your expectation from my class?
To get knowledge about some legal documentary.
Legal documents. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we'll definitely tell you about that too. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Manish. So next is Matang Sharma, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. Very good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Have I pronounced your name properly, Matang?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, because I'm very much cautious about pronouncing names, and when somebody pronounces wrong names, even my name is sometimes pronounced wrong, I feel very bad about it.
It hurts, sir.
Yeah, it really hurts. You are very correct. So Matang, your first name and your first alphabet and my first alphabet is same.
Yeah, initial first name.
Yeah. So and even second is also same.
Yeah.
But you don't have any third. Otherwise, third would also have been same. So Matang, please tell about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Matang Sharma. I have been born and brought up in Jodhpur city, Rajasthan.
Okay.
And my father runs a business of chemicals and scientific items.
Okay.
Yeah, we are actually repackers of chemicals.
Fine.
We do repack and we provide further to the suppliers.
Great. So what is your expectation from my class?
Sir, truly speaking, I don't know very much about business laws, but still, जो आप पढ़ाएंगे वो पढ़ना ही है सर. और दूसरी जो इधर उधर की और भी जो चीजें पता लगती है सर क्लास में, मतलब आगे जाते हुए बीबीए में और भी जो अदर एक्टिविटीज होती है, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं, वो सब आप बताएंगे तो और बढ़िया रहेगा.
बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली लॉ से रिलेटेड कुछ भी होगा वो बताऊंगा, साथ ही साथ आपकी लाइफ के लिए भी व्हाटएवर, लेकिन उसको अपन थोड़ा ऑफलाइन डिस्कस करेंगे, है ना?
ऑफलाइन. मैं सर इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम अटेंड कर रहा था जब आपने एक सेशन लिया था सर, वो बहुत
ओके था. तो उसमें क्या था? दैट वाज फॉर एल्युमनाई.
हाँ, एल्युमनाई था. आपने फिर आपने कहा था लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल होनी चाहिए, बहुत मैंडेटरी.
हाँ. ये अपन एक काम ही करेंगे, इसका भी एक सेशन रखेंगे, लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बनाना करना. अभी से बनाओगे ना तो बड़ा अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ, वही.
इट्स अ गुड आइडिया, इट्स रियली अ गुड आइडिया. सो बीच में कभी रखेंगे इसको भी, है ना?
यस सर, यस.
चलिए, ग्रेट मतंग. ठीक है, थैंक यू. या नमन जैन.
Good evening, sir. Myself Naman Jain. I belong to the Jaipur city.
Okay.
My father is a businessman working with SS Commercial Kitchen Equipments.
Okay.
And I too want to work with him, but with having some patents and copyrights within my name. So my requirement from you is only that I want to know about the patents and copyrights, how they work for.
Okay, but my dear, this is a class of business laws. But for sure, I will tell you about many things, but we will take it to some extent. We will take it offline. Yeah. So no problem, because this also comes in my domain. I have studied a lot about these actually are called combinedly intellectual property rights. So
Yes, sir.
we'll tell you the legal aspect of it and how it is to be proceed further. And even if you want to have an insight of it, I can give you a good exposure in our university itself. So because
Okay.
our university keeps on filing certain patents and all that. So if you are really interested in it, so let this COVID go, then you meet me, because still you have 2 years over here in the university. So
Yes, sir. Sure.
yeah, at least 1.5 years you have. So you have sufficient time, I hope, and hope for the best. This COVID will go as soon as possible, so that we will meet each other, greet each other, and I would love to. I'm just dying to just to teach you in a physical manner in the class actually. This virtual, everything is virtual. I don't mind. Even the happiness is also virtual. Fine. Fine,
Thank
Naman. Thank you. Pranav Sharma.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pranav. I'm from Jaipur and my father is a businessman.
Okay. So what type of business he does?
Sir, he's in the production of plastic granules.
Plastic?
Granules.
Granules. Okay. That is a raw material for making anything of plastic.
Yes, sir.
So, and these days, I think plastic granules are used for building material also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So great business. So, what is your what do you want to do in your life?
Sir, I also want to join my father's business.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And what is expectations from my class? What do you want to study?
Well, basically to learn about the basic guidelines for executing any kind of business, legal procedures, what are involved in it.
Very good. For sure, would love to just tell you the procedures, not only the procedures but the provisions also. That how it can be, how you can make a sound, you can say contract, how you can make good deeds, good documents, and all. Definitely will be a part of it. Thank you, Pranav.
Thank you, sir.
So, Priyam Soni. Priyam Soni.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Priyam. So,
Good evening,
tell me
sir.
about yourself that you have already been listening. So, accordingly, you have also to tell. So, please tell.
Sir, actually, I just joined the class.
Sorry? Oh, you have just
Sir,
joined the class. That's why you just appeared. Actually, what you have to do is, Priyam, you have to tell about yourself and what your father does and where do you belong to, and besides that, what you aspire to, means what you want to do in your future, and what is your expectation from my class of business laws.
ओके तो सर मेरा नाम प्रियम सोनी है। मैं सर बूंदी शहर से हूँ। बूंदी एक शहर है राजस्थान में, वहां से हूँ। सर पापा एक प्राइवेट कंपनी में जॉब करते हैं, मम्मी गवर्नमेंट टीचर है।
बूंदी जो शहर है ना, वो रणबांकुरों और वीरों की भूमि है।
यस सर, बिल्कुल।
उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है, लोगों को ढूंढने दो बूंदी कहाँ है और क्या है।
बिल्कुल।
तुम मत बताया करो। पहले मैं भी ऐसे करता था, मैं बताता था कि उदयपुर एक शहर है जो कि राजस्थान में ऐसा ऐसा होता है। आज की तारीख में एवरीवन इन द वर्ल्ड नोज अबाउट उदयपुर, है ना। सो फील प्राउड दैट यू आर फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस वेयर which is a land of warriors.
Yes sir, I'm proud, obviously.
Great.
I'm proud of that.
Priyam, tell about yourself. What else?
सर बेसिकली मैं एक सर स्टार्टअप की सोच रहा हूँ। मैं बिजनेस में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ सर। तो खुद का बिजनेस सर उससे बिजनेस
नहीं कर सकते हो खुद का बिजनेस भी, बट इट विल टेक सम टाइम आई सपोज। सो प्रियम, आवाज कट रही है बहुत ज्यादा।
सर एक्चुअली 3-4 महीने से मैं नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग की कंपनी के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, तो उसके साथ नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ।
ओके, गुड। सो एक्सपीरियंस तो ले ही रहे हो, दैट्स वेरी गुड, बिकॉज ऐसे खाली बैठना अच्छा नहीं होता है, और तुमने इस टाइम को बहुत अच्छा यूज किया है प्रियम। सो आई कांग्रेचुलेट यू फॉर दैट एंड कीप इट अप इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। सो यू विल डेफिनेटली बी एबल टू अचीव मोर एंड गुड। सो व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम माय क्लास ऑफ बिजनेस लॉज?
सर बिजनेस के बारे में तो जितना सीखने को मिले उतना कम है सर, क्योंकि बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ।
नहीं, लॉज लॉ क्यों पढ़ना चाहते हो और इसको पढ़ के क्या मिलेगा तुमको? तुम क्या सोचते हो कि मैं मतलब यहाँ से ये सीख सकूंगा?
ये सीख सकते हैं, जैसे अगर खुद का स्टार्टअप करे तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जहाँ पे सबको लगता है कि ये कदम ज्यादा कोई इलीगल नहीं होगा, पर वो छोटे छोटे जो होते पॉइंट्स उनको भी संभाल के चले तो बहुत जल्दी ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कमा सकता है इंसान।
बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है। तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा उन चीजों से स्टार्टअप्स वगैरह से जोड़ने की अपने कोर्स को, ताकि तुम्हारे जो ये वाला बेनिफिट भी, इसको भी मैं पूरा कर सकूं। तो मुझे बताना, आई विल आस्क यू।
बिल्कुल सर,
आई विल जस्ट या थैंक यू प्रेम। सो विक्रमादित्य, एक मिनट लूंगा बिफोर विक्रमादित्य स्टार्ट्स। वेयर इज विक्रमादित्य? इज ही हियर?
यस सर।
हाँ विक्रमादित्य, एक मिनट लूंगा, ये मेरी बेटी आई हुई। हाँ बोलो बच्चा, क्या करना?
देखो ये बात कम है,
आवाज कम है, यहाँ से बढ़ा लो आवाज बस। लेकिन यहाँ नहीं बैठना, बाहर जाके बैठो, पापा पढ़ा रहे हैं ना, अब डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना।
देखो आवाज ही नहीं खुल रही।
खुल जाएगी, आवाज आएगी ना,
खुल नहीं।
अभी तो मम्मा को दिखाओ, मम्मा का मोबाइल है, ठीक है? या विक्रमन, सॉरी यार, या प्लीज।
Sir, my name is Vikramaditya. I'm from Jaipur. Sir, my father is a hotelier. Hello.
Sorry, हाँ अब बताओ। You are from Jaipur and your father is?
A hotelier, sir.
Sorry?
Hotelier, sir.
Okay, hotelier. So how many hotels do you have?
Sir, we are currently running 4 hotels in Rajasthan.
Excellent.
Yes.
Okay.
So they are basically jungle camps and resorts.
Oh wow, great. So you have something in Ranthambore too?
Yes, sir.
Great. So what is your expectation about learning business laws?
So basically my interest towards business laws is that I aspire to become an IAS officer.
Oh wow, great. Yes. So you do not want to be with your father?
No, sir.
Okay.
So my father has my father has always told me that this business is your backup plan.
Very good.
So
very good. This is really a good thing, and I hope and I wish that may you be able to fulfill the wishes of your father too. Yes. Great Vikramaditya. So thank you, Vikram. And Yashpal Singh. Yashpal, is Yashpal there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Yashpal, please tell about yourself, what your father does.
Yeah, sir. My name is Yashpal Singh Mahecha and I'm from Pali. Hope you know, sir, Pali.
Yeah, why not? Pali is a place which is famous for its clothes, and Pali is a place which is famous for its what you call papad, mota papad, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
No, sir, it's famous for halwa.
हलवा भी है। मेरे को तो वहाँ का पापड़ पसंद आया था। वहाँ एक ही तो होटल है 5 स्टार जैसा दिखता है जो, और एक्चुअली पाली में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ पाली से मैं कैसे जुड़ा हूँ। आपके पाली में एक इसकी सरस की डेयरी है।
हाँ जी सर, है ना।
पाली की सरस की डेयरी लॉस में चल रही थी, काफी टाइम पहले की बात है। और देखो लॉस में भी कैसे चल रही थी, इट वॉज हैविंग सरप्लस ऑफ मिल्क, स्टिल इट वॉज इन लॉस. Now what used to happen, the surplus of milk they used to throw off because they were not at all able to consume it, they were not at all able to manufacture it, because that particular you can say that dairy was totally in the condition which was not at all able to take up anything. So one of my friend joined there as a managing director and gave us a project over there to revive that Pali dairy. So what we did was that we suggested them that why do not you just share your surplus with Jaipur, because Jaipur is the dairy is not at all able to fulfill the needs of the entire Jaipur. So the surplus milk from Pali after packaging, they used to give it to the Jaipur Dairy, and Jaipur Dairy used to sell it off. So the Jaipur Dairy surplus, Jaipur Dairy deficit is also met, right? So Jaipur Dairy, which was having an opportunity to earn more, right, was not at all able to avail that, and at the same time where there was wastage going on, was not at all able to control that. So that wastage actually become the input for the Jaipur Dairy, and both of the dairies flourished like anything. So there are various case studies. So I prepared the project report for getting the sanction of 13 crores of loan from the central government for them. And that I did on the banner of Manipal University, Jaipur. This is, I think, 4 years back, four years back. Okay. So this is how I'm connected. So whenever I used to go to Pali, in order to have a class over there, I have trained Yashpal. You be in my, you just join my Facebook as a friend, and everyone, please, everyone, I request everyone to send me some good friend request from your side. Join me as a friend on the Facebook, and let us see how we can grow together. We can do certain things on that too, because this is a time for us to just go for. And in Yashpal, there itself, if you will scroll my previous photographs and previous posts, you will find I have been training the people from Jodhpur, this Pali Dairy. I have trained some people over there. So that is my connection. So how, okay, Yashpal, what do you aspire from my class of this?
So basically, as one of my friends said, Priyam, he's doing network marketing, and I'm also doing network marketing, and I'm also joined affiliated marketing too. So I just utilize my time, lockdown time, in such things.
Very good, very good. That's great that you have been utilizing your time of the lockdown in all these things. That's really amazing. So
as this, my father is a hotelier, and we have hotel, and we also have factory of poles. So poles, electrical poles.
Yes.
We have a factory of that. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So basically, I don't want to join my father's business because I have to do something my own. I have to stand on my legs. So that's why.
Why not? You should be. You are unique. You can do that. So Aryan Gupta is again there, an invited member. Let me tell him to join if he can. Kanishk is also there. So they have not yet joined. I just do not want to cut their attendance. So I'm just inviting them once again. Dhananjay Singh also. So let them respond. If they will be in, then definitely we will just call them up. So my dear, this course, let me just take you to the course now, and let us just see what we will be studying in this, because that is the purpose of today's class. So I was just able to give introduction, take the introduction of all of you, and we'll just give you a glimpses of the syllabus which we'll be going to finish in this last 10 minutes remaining. And we'll please tell me when you are able to see my shared document of your course handout. Are you able to see this? Yes, Yashpal, are you able to see this?
Sorry, sir, I didn't hear you. Actually, that was a network issue.
Okay, so are you able to see the document which I have shared?
No, sir, I don't able to see.
Okay. Okay. So I hope now it is visible to everyone.
No, sir, it's not visible.
Is it? Do you feel it is coming up? Something is coming up?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So let me just do it once again. Yeah. I hope it's there now.
Yes, sir.
It is there. Yes, yeah. So this is your course handout, what we will be studying. So this introduces you to the legal and the ethical framework, as it was correctly said by Aditya, I suppose, that he actually wants to learn some morals from this particular class. So it is both about legal and the moral things, that is the ethical framework of the business. Contract, Negotiable Instrument Act, sale of goods, these all are the part of this particular business which will be going to go, which the business laws which we'll be going to study. So there are certain course outcomes in this particular course. So that is again a part of it. Let me first take you to the syllabus which we are having. So this is syllabus. Can you see some dark lines which I have highlighted? These are the 6 laws which you will be studying. Law of contract, law of sale of goods, law of negotiable instrument, partnership, and limited liability partnership, LLP. So these are the things which you will be going to study. So for sure, you will be getting a very good know-how of what the law is and how the law works. You will be able to understand the significance and why it is important for the society and the business. Actually, law, if had law not been there, there would have been chaos in the society, because the people, by the time, since the medieval period, when there was when the Adam and Eve came to existence, since then till now, man has become greedy. So there is an answer to the need, but there is no answer to the greed. So law has to come in existence, that there has to be something which is to be promulgated by a state, that if you will do something wrong, or if you will infringe certain or you will trespass some of your limits, so there you have to face the consequences. That is the purpose for which the law is being created. So we will be studying this in detail in tomorrow's class. So in this we will be studying the law of contract. Contract is nothing but an agreement between the two parties. When you enter into an agreement, so there are certain terms and conditions from both the sides, and when both the parties agree upon certain terms and conditions in the way, then there is a contract. So there has to be something which has to be moved from one party to other, which is something in return. So if I will do this for you, you have to do this for me. So then there is a contract. So there are certain, and these all things, that I will do this for you and you will do this for me, should not be by threatening. Okay, it should not happen by mistake. It should not happen. So these all things are the essentials of a valid contract. And finally, if a person, after entering into a contract, breaches it off, or you can say doesn't fulfill, then what are the consequences of it? And finally, we will be coming towards the various types of agreement which a person has to make, or which can be made, including the law of agency. If a person appoints any agent, so that is called the law of agency. So agency also we will be studying to some extent. Then coming to the Sale of Goods. Sale of Goods Act is something related to the sale of the goods, and does it include services, or what is service and what is good? There is a paradigm shift. So what will happen if the sale is a question of sale of services? So is it covered under this? So there are various things, various aspects which we will be learning. There are negotiations. You might have heard about checks, check ka bounce ho jana and all that. So what are the consequences? Why check gets bounced? What are the things which a person has to take care while writing the check, while accepting the check? These all things we'll be studying in this. And then coming finally to the partnership, and then limited liability partnership. So how and why the organization changes their shapes, and what are the legal implications to it? So these all will be the part of your syllabus which we will be studying. So besides this, there will be some evaluation part. Can you see it over here, the evaluation? So this is sessional 1 will be of 20, sessional 2 will be of 20. Now these are the 20 marks of your quizzes, assignments, which is in the hand of the teacher which is teaching you. So let me just give this liberty to all of you. You tell me, you decide that how you want me to evaluate out of these 20 marks. Okay, so this is something very openly I am telling you, that you along with your classmates can decide. Whosoever is the CR of the class can tell the others to just decide about that, what they will be going to go for, and how you want to evaluate yourself. Yeah, please.
सर पिछली बार जैसे कर लो कि हमारा कोर्सेरा का सर्टिफिकेट हम जैसे कोर्सेरा है हमारे पास, तो अगर बिजनेस लॉ की के रिलेटेड हमने कोई भी कोर्स किया तो लास्ट सेमेस्टर वाइज वी विल बी अवॉर्डेड 20 मार्क्स।
बेटा वो पॉसिबल इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि अपन जो पढ़ रहे हैं ना, ये सारे के सारे लॉज इंडिया से रिलेटेड है। आर यू गेटिंग? अब ऐसा कोई कोर्स कोर्सेरा पे नहीं है जो कि इंडियन लॉज की बात करता हूँ।
काफी सारे हैं सर।
आप मुझे बताना, फिर अपन डिसाइड करेंगे। अगर ऐसा करना है तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द इनोवेटिव वे, लेकिन पूरे 20 मार्क्स में वहां पे नहीं दे पाऊंगा बेटा। बिकॉज मेरी एक थोड़ा सा वो डिफरेंशिएटेड थोड़ा सा क्विज होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा असाइनमेंट हो, थोड़ा सा मतलब बिकॉज ये दिस इज द डिमांड ऑफ दिस कोर्स। अच्छा 75% अटेंडेंस आपकी जरूरी होती है ना? तो उस हिसाब से अपन इनका इसका भी रखेंगे कि भाई किस तरह से आप 75% अटेंडेंस ऑनलाइन होनी चाहिए। सो यू हैव टू बी हियर फॉर द होल क्लास एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, मतलब अगर कोई एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता है तो आई विल नॉट गिव द अटेंडेंस, right? So whosoever I am asking certain things, so you have to keep on, and even you have to raise, you know how to raise hand in this. There is a bar in between, you can see that. So from there you can raise the hand. So you must raise the hand when you have to ask the question. I will see that how many of you interact. I know that is for sure. In my class you are going to interact most interaction will be happening in my class, and I'm sure about it because I am also fun loving and you also like to have good fun in the class, and without interaction it is not possible, and that too in this online mode. So we will definitely have good things. So this is the scheme of attendance. I hope you all agree with this.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Good. So like suppose for example you are not able to make up some of your and you are deficient of 5 attendances. So I will give you some assignment in order to fulfill those attendance, but I don't think it will happen. Let me tell you, it's a record. I have never detained anyone in this university in the last 6 years of my service. Really never detained anyone. But students get detained themselves. They do not come to the class at all. Then no, it is in their hand to that if you will not come, then I have to mark absent, and then if the absent goes, the rules are very strict these days. So anyways, you have to maintain the attendance also and do the things right, and your entire syllabus is divided into the total lectures which are given over here, and I have given some of your what you call is your handouts, sorry, this PowerPoint presentations. You can go through them and before coming to the class, and we can have a good interactive things. So anything you would like to ask me, you are most welcome. So we still have 3 minutes to go for. Come on, if you want to ask anything or if you want to clarify or you have some good suggestion so that I can take it up, please tell me.
Hello, sir. I just want to ask one question, sir.
Yeah. Who is this?
But sir, it's not Yashpal, sir.
Yashpal, yes, Yashpal, please.
But sir, it's not related to any our subject.
Fair enough, no problem. Please tell.
Sir, I just have a curiosity to know that college खुलेगा या नहीं?
कॉलेज जरूर खुलेगा बेटा, 100% खुलेगा. कॉलेज ऑलरेडी खुला है, मैं आपको बता दूं. ये तो मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ कुछ रीजन से, बाकी अदरवाइज आपके जितने प्रोफेसर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं वो सभी कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, सभी कॉलेज से ही आपको लाइव पढ़ा रहे हैं. ये तो जो आप मुझे देख रहे हो, मैं कॉलेज में नहीं हूँ, फिर भी आप देख रहे हो ना मैं किस तरह से प्रोफेशनली बैठा हूँ. तो ये तो दिस इज
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए.
सॉरी,
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सर.
Only for you guys, मतलब just in order to give you a good presentation कि भाई देखो how presentable I am, so why not you be like that, because I also want you to not to hide your faces before PS, NJ, LM, MS, MK. ये क्या है यार, आओ ना सामने face to face, I want to see you यार. So that is the thing. So when you look good, when you look confident, then only you show yourself. Am I correct or not? Yashpal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want all of you to be prepared.
I just want to ask कि college हमारे लिए कब खुलेगा, मतलब when we are able to come to college and join the classes.
ये जैसे ही कोविड का टाइम खत्म होगा ना, देखो क्यों नहीं खोल रहे हैं, खोल इसलिए मेरे को पता है you are very much eager to come to college, but the thing is that my dear, when this is just for your benefit, your security and your safety, that university is taking these steps, and besides your semester should not go waste. That's why we have started the classes also online, right? That is the thing. Otherwise हमको मजा थोड़ी यार आ रहा है कि आप लोग घर बैठे रहो. सब वाले ने हमारे जान हो यार, आप लोग इस कॉलेज की जान हो, तो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप घर बैठो और हमें, है ना. तो जैसे ही ये खुलेगा, मतलब सबसे पहले तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, आप सब लोग आओगे. सूना लगता है यार, हम लोग जाते हैं ना रोज, बहुत बेकार लगता है सच में. ठीक है, आपने तो मेरी दुखती रग पे हाथ रख दिया यार, रियली. I would love everyone to be there. I'm dying to just be in front of you in your class and teach you like anything. चलिए कोई बात नहीं, चलिए मीनवाइल अपन यहाँ पर ऑनलाइन आए, यहाँ पर इंटरेक्ट करें, इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं है। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आप सबसे कि मैक्सिमम लोग यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत तो चेहरा दिखाओ यार, ताकि हमें लगे कि हाँ यार कोई, मैं मतलब एक कंप्यूटर को नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। सो माई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज दिस। सो एनीथिंग, एनीवन एल्स? तो बेटा कल से ये मीटिंग मैंने पूरी रिकॉर्ड करी है, सो आई एम स्टॉपिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग नाउ। ओके, थैंक यू ऑल।